Hello everybody and welcome back. Before we start, hit the subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, so first of all, we're going to import OS. Okay, so create a function. I'm going to call the first one old name is equal to, and I'm going to type in the path on my computer, which is going to be /users so what desktop remove, so the file is called remove. Just get rid of that, that's wrong. Remove, and the text file is called y.txt. So that's the name of the text file, that's the old name. We're going to rename it. Oh dear, I've made a mistake there. Oh dear. So let's just pop that down there like that. So that should have been called old name is equal to. Okay, let's just sort that out. Okay, old name is equal to, get the indentation correct, so 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. That's looking better. Okay, so that's the old name. We're going to call this new name is equal to C users SWAT desktop remove. That's the name of the folder that this is in, new.txt. There we go. So that's the name of the folder. So the name of the folder, this is the path to the folder. So the directory or the folder is called remove, and the file inside there at the moment is called y.txt, and we're going to change the name to new.txt. Okay, so we're going to start off with if os.path.exists, and this is going to be the old name. We're going to have to do something. os.rename, and it's going to be old name, and it's going to be new name. Okay, right, or else let's say print something like error. Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to rename that, and now we're going to make a directory, and then we're going to delete the directory. So I'm going to put time here because I want to put a little bit of a time delay on this. So first of all, we're going to create a function called define make directory. Okay, I'm going to have to create the path. So the path is equal to, I'm going to use this path here. Let's have a look. To the desktop. So let's say I'm going to call it new directory. Okay, so that's the name of our new directory that we're going to create. So that's going to be os.make directory. Let's have a look using the path, and then we're going to print. Let's have a look. Directory. Created. Okay, and then we're going to do time.sleep, and I'm going to give it, let's say, 3 seconds before we delete the directory. So I'm going to create, let's have a look what I'm going to create here. I'm going to create another little function which is going to be called delete directory. Okay, so again, the path is going to be equal to this. This is going to be the path here. Just going to copy that, paste that into there. So that's going to be the path. os.remove directory here. Path. Okay, and print directory deleted. Okay, now all we have to do is call this. Let's have a look. I'm going to call them individually. So old name. I'm going to call each function individually. Old name, and then make directory. And then delete directory. Okay, so I'm going to call all these functions individually. So let's just save that, and let's just run the program. Okay. Okay, we've got a little issue here, because when I wrote this code, I wrote it on my other computer with a different pathway. So, okay, folks, made a few mistakes here. From the old desktop, I used SWAT instead of Mark because I wrote this code on the other desktop. Okay, I also used the Linux Linux style here in Windows. Okay, so it should be like this. Backslashes, not forward slashes. I'm thinking I'm still on Linux. Whoops, those are pipes. Okay, so let's just sort those out. Okay. Right, again, we just got to sort these out because I was thinking I was on Linux. I'm not. I'm on Windows today, so very, very important this is as well. So right, let's just okay, let's just have a look through there. Let's just correct those. Start with this here. C colon. There we go. Essential part of program. This is debugging. Okay, what I suggest to you, what I always suggest to you, is write a little bit of code, test it. I've not done it here because I'm trying to do this quickly because I'm going out in a minute. So there we go. Let us just save that, and now we'll just run this. Let's have a look. Did I? Yeah, I did the time sleep there. So let's just run the module. There we go. It says directory created, and so we've got rename here. So we've renamed the file to new there, and we had a directory created and a directory deleted. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, just to show you that this is working here, so I'm going to do make directory. Let's have a look. Directory is going to be called new directory. So we're just going to do make directory there. We're just going to run that. Make directory and then delete directory. So this program, okay, there we go, new directory, and new directory has vanished. It's been created and destroyed. I think that was a little bit too fast, and we've got the message here: directory created, directory deleted. Let's just go through that and put a bit more of a time delay on it. Let's say 5 seconds there, so you can actually see it being made and being deleted. So let's just hit run module like that, and there we go. There's the new directory, and it should disappear now. So it's been created and it's been deleted, and in here this was called Y, and now it's called new. So we've renamed the file.